Hey guys, I want to show you something here. This is a Hero 7 Black that now comes in white. Uh, I got it. I had a gift certificate to uh, to Best Buy that reduced this by half, and everybody knows if you're watching this show that that I'm a camera addict in general and a Hero camera addict in the extreme. So I took that, paid off 50% of this with a gift certificate, and I got the Hero 7 Black in white. Why did I get it? I've got a Hero 7 Black. Heck, I don't know. I got a few bucks before they lay me off, so I'll stick with this. Not that I necessarily expect to be laid off, but in this world of great tax cuts for the corporations, you get laid off from time to time. In any case, outside, you can see my van there through the window. I did get a chance this morning. I got up early. I'm on second shift. If I haven't told you already, I'll tell you again, I hate second shift because you have all day to think about going to work. In any case, what I did this morning, instead of worrying about that, is I got up, I had to go get a state inspection, another Texas requirement. I'm sure that's not general around the United States. Once I got that state inspection, then I took that state inspection and went to the tax office in the county where I live. And I'm sure that's specific to Texas, and it might differ from state to state, or I don't know, jurisdiction to jurisdiction. But I had to go to the tax office, and then I got my registration for the year. So I am legal to live and drive in my van through 2020. So just want to give you a quick report on that. So I really do like this thing. I'm just a Hero addict, and I use basically three cameras. I'll show you the three cameras I use most often, but I got the whole Hero line. But I'll show you this. And I bought this little tiny Platinum Plus travel tripod. It's extraordinarily cheap, and I've had one before. Who knows? I probably could find it if I went and dug through my storage for hours and hours and hours. But this was on sale, and it's not $20 worth of effort that I'm going to put into digging through that mess I've got in storage until I begin to get rid of it, which is my plan in the near future. And this is my what is it, appearance maintenance set. It's basically some clippers, some hair clippers, etc., with a vacuum, so I can basically cut my hair anyway without getting hair everywhere. And I do that, and I just cut off all my hair. I don't know if this is I'm not gonna be able to see how this looks unless I switch the camera around. I'm not gonna do that. But let me see, the top of my head is a lot less hair. Since I don't have great mirrors, sometimes I have to go to friends. Okay, did I miss this spot? But that's what I do. I'm a very low maintenance, cost-wise kind of person. That's basically what I've got. I've got one more thing. I think I've told you about this switch control valve. I've got one. I bought one from Ford. They're expensive as heck, but I don't have time to take the one I've got off, clean and clear it or whatever it is. So I just bought a new one so I can take that one that I've got off, which means crawling under the front of the van, and once I could crawl under that front, getting in there, unscrewing that, etc. So I got some penetrating oil, so I'm gonna go hit those bolts a few times. Fortunately, I live in Texas. We don't have salt on the roads ever. I mean, almost never, because we rarely get ice on the road. I don't think we had a single icy day this last winter. So, and that's why if you're going to buy a car and you got a choice of where to buy it, you want to go to Texas, Arizona, California, and parts of in most of the general South. It'll be wetter down there, but there's just not an issue with salt on the road because we just don't get that much ice. Anyway, I just want to give you a quick rundown of what's going on. I'm in the hotel room again because I have to be online and available absolutely the entire night. So, and I've just got to be there. I'm monitoring stuff. It's basic IT stuff. I've got to have a sticks and bricks, no fault, no doubt connection So that's why I'm in here. And that's basically it. I want to give you a quick rundown of what's going on. I really do like this Hero 7 Black White. Here I got a Hero 7 Black. That is the color it should be, black. But now, I had 50% off, so I dove off the deep end again. And I won't give you a review on it unless it's different than the other original Hero 7, which I don't know if I've ever given you a real review on that. It's just not really necessary to review it. You hear it from everybody else, and it's basically very good, very good stabilization if you use the correct ratio, or you can, if you go full 4K on that, the stabilization, I believe, goes out the window. Not that it doesn't still stabilize to some degree, but all of the special things that you do to make it extra stable doesn't exist anymore. All right, I'm gonna give you a quick run. That's all I've got. Still got my my stupid purchase, and I just compounded it with this. My huge Victorinox knife. I haven't received a case on that, so I did stick it in a velvet bag, and I can stick it in my pocket, so I won't scratch it up initially. It's a pocket knife. I won't scratch the heck out of it, but I'll wait a week or two before I actually get it, really tear it up and do the things that you're supposed to do with a pocket knife. Victorinox is sort of the jewelry of pocket knives. It's different between a men's ring and a lady's engagement ring. They tend not to like it damaged. Men, eventually we just says, oh, and that's another scratch. All right, talk to you later. You have a wonderful day.